The next step is called Punta Garcia. Let's do the simple version. Punta Garcia Sencilla. We start from the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We prep with half a basic and we enter. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, basic. 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Puntas con patada, lijas, and basic. 5, 6, 7. Let's try together. We start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, we prepare. We stay in the diagonal. We tip and keep the legs closed. Tip to the side, tip behind, and kick. Together, now lijas. Left, right, left, and basic. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Punta Garcia. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Punta Garcia. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7. 8 lijas. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Punta Garcia. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Let's do the music.
Say